Very often in the history of art, the sacred depiction of religious episodes has served as a pretext to tell other stories, symbolism, celebrations of the patron, or, in some cases, to highlight class differences within society. I'm Valentina Simone from Fine Arts at Marno and Marno, and today I'm presenting to you this oil on panel from the workshop of Franz Franken II, known as the Younger. The episode depicted is that of the preaching of St. John the Baptist, easily identifiable thanks to the attributes relating to his hagiography and because he stands out above the crowds, also thanks to the brightness of the halo surrounding his head. Although he is the official protagonist of the scene, it is important to note the artist's choice to place him in a decentered position, almost shifting the attention and compositional weight onto a group of people depicted in the foreground on the left. One might therefore imagine that perhaps the artist wanted to identify and give this leading role to the true protagonists, perhaps the patrons or members of some congregation devoted specifically to the cult of St. John the Baptist. What is interesting is the different way in which the bystanders are depicted. This group in the foreground has a different posture, almost more questioning and detached towards the religious scene taking place, while the crowd of lower social standing, of common origin, displays a more involved attitude, almost one of adoration towards the saint. It is a real flood of people, each with their own distinct character. Older people, workers taking a break during their work, like this one in the foreground who has a basket on his shoulders, a cage full of birds, probably belonging to a breeder. The expressions are also curious and telling. The faces of the onlookers in the foreground, even though seated, truly engaged in the saint's sermon, especially the women who, almost in a state of ecstasy, gaze at the religious figure with their mouths open. The true geometric focus of the composition is occupied by this boy in the foreground, probably a page belonging to one of the wealthy participants in the procession, who is in fact holding a hunting falcon and looks directly at the viewer, as if to involve them in the sacred scene being depicted. The work is a copy, a derivation from the workshop, with some liberties, of an original autograph painting by Franz Franken II, created in 1623 and kept at the Prado Museum in Madrid. Our painting, of course, must have been produced later, presumably still during the 1620s. Although it is a painting of not particularly large dimensions, it is very rich from a narrative and descriptive point of view, both in the background details, such as the city visible in the distance, or the forest, the trees, and even down to the human crowd and the fabrics of the figures in the foreground, all typical of that meticulous and detailed desire for description found in Northern European painting.